In this video, we're going to talk about a different form of negation in Palestinian Arabic. Negation of verbs in Palestinian Arabic. If you're brand new to Arabic, I'm not sure if this video is for you. It's a little bit above your level. So if you're brand new, make sure to check out the free mini course. Start there and then check out the beginner level courses and beginner videos. And then this video is a little bit for the advanced students, people that have been studying the Palestinian dialect. This also works for the Jordanian dialect, I would say, but at a higher levels, okay? Let's get into the video. So if you have studied Palestinian Arabic, you know that to negate verbs, you're adding ma. So for example, I didn't see, ma shuft or ma shufit, right? You're adding ma shufit, I saw, ma shufit, I didn't see. Akalt, I ate, ma akalt or ma akalit, I didn't eat. Okay, ma. Now, there's another way to do the negation that you might have come across. And a lot of students have messaged me about this, asking me, like, okay, what's this sh I hear at the end of the word? How do I construct this myself? So a lot of times, people will hear ma shuftish, or ma akaltish, yeah? This is the exact same as ma shuft and ma akalt. Yeah, it's just a different way of negating. They're the same, but you just might hear certain people, a lot of people use this and a lot of people use this, yeah? So it's good to kind of be aware of both styles. Now, to construct this is very easy. If you know the normal negation of a verb, so let's go with ma akalt again as a simple example, I didn't eat. All you're doing is you're adding the sh. So ma akaltish, yeah? Indi, I have. What's the negation of that? The regular negation with ma indi. Very easy. I have indi, ma indi, I don't have, okay? The other style, ma'andish. So all you're doing, you're adding a sheen at the end. And this works for all the conjugations. So inta ma عندك, inta ma عندكش. ما عندكش, inti ma عندك, inti ma عندكش. هو ما عنده, هو ما عندوش. Okay, you're just really adding the sheen. That's really all there is to it at the end. Now, a couple of things. There's some words that we don't need ma. To make things easy, use ma for all of them, okay? And then if you want to use the sheen, use the sheen. The benefits of this, again, one, you'll be able to recognize what other people are saying. You're going to probably already catch the first bit and know what they're saying, but you're going to be more familiar with the style. You're going to know how to use the style. And also, in the Egyptian dialect, they use a lot of this, the sheen at the end, yeah? Ma shuftish, ma amaltish. Same. So you're just adding the sheen at the end. So it's very good to know this because you're going to open up your comprehension skills as well, and you're going to be able to understand different dialects as well, including Egyptian. Not fully, obviously, but you're going to be able to capture bits and pieces, and slowly, it will help you with understanding more and more Arabic, okay? So that's a very kind of useful point of knowing this method. Like I was saying, all of them put the ma in front, okay? And then it's up to you whether you want to add the sh at the end, so ma indi or ma indish, ma akalt or ma akaltish. So that's up to you. But some of them, you will hear without the ma. And what I found that is typically the ones where people kind of drop the ma, like I said, they work 100% even if you use the ma. But for whatever reason, people tend to drop the ma with some of them. Typically the ones that end in a ya. So biddi, biddish. Of course, you could say ma biddish. But in case you hear someone say biddish, you know that's I don't want. Similarly, basawi is I do, another word for ba'mil. Basawish, I don't make. Yeah, I don't make or I don't do. And then what else do we have? Bashwi, I grill or I barbecue. Bashwish, I don't grill, I don't barbecue. So what I found is typically the ones that end in a ya, you can drop the ma. But again, if you leave the ma, that's 100% perfect, it's complete, okay? Hopefully this is clear. The exception to this is indi. You cannot say indish, nobody says indish. Typically ma'andish, if you want to do the sheen method, okay? So to recap really quick, point of this video, I was telling you, there's two types of negations, they're both exactly the same. One is using the ma plus the verb, and then one is ma plus the verb and the sh sound at the end. The reason I'm teaching this is just to be aware of different styles. When you hear them, you understand them, and also you'll be able to construct them as well. And third, you are able to recognize this in different dialects, such as Egyptian Arabic as well, okay? Hope this helps. Very easy to construct. Try this on your own. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what other verbs you can think of. Just mention them in the comments. And if there's other things that are giving you trouble. This video idea came from many students. They're just like, okay, what is this sheen that happens at the end of verbs? Yeah, so I just figured I'd make a video. I started looking into this. It's very easy to construct. Just literally adding the sheen at the end. Let me know if you find exceptions in any language. Obviously, you're gonna come across exceptions. If you come across exceptions or something is like not clicking, let me know in the comments as well. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي زي العادي. See you in the next video as usual.